We're trying to figure out the number cola, and I know that cola plus root beer, call that R, plus ginger ale, G, that gives that 63. That's how many bottles she ordered, okay? We're trying to figure out the number of cola. So, number one, clue one says the number of bottles of root beer was 80% of ginger ale, 0.8 G. Well, I'm trying to find cola, and that doesn't help me at all because there's nothing in there about cola. And let me see. I could take this R, 0.8 G, and plug it in there, but I still couldn't solve for cola. So clue one doesn't work. Clue two. Number of bottles of cola was 75% of total number of bottles of ginger ale and root beer. So ginger plus R. Is that right? All right, so I know if I take this equation up here, I'm working on clue two. I forgot about clue one. I know that R plus G equals 63 minus C, right? R plus G, that's the same thing as G plus R, is 63 minus C. So you can take that 63 minus C and plug it in for G plus R, and hopefully you can see that you would have an equation with just C, and you'd be able to solve for it. So your answer is B.